Hello everyone, this is the day one. So today we are doing with the basic ECG patterns, right? But stop here, we are not going to understand the basic ECG pattern. Firstly, we are going to understand the anatomy of the heart, right? Because before moving towards the complex structure, we should know the basic anatomy, and this is very very important from the exam point of view. So anatomy, we have the right part and the left part. In the right part we have right atrium, right ventricle, left atrium and the left ventricle. Right side is having the deoxygenated blood and the left side we have the oxygenated blood. From the right ventricle the pulmonary artery goes to the lungs for oxygenation, and after that that oxygenated blood goes to the left atrium. ठीक है, इस साइड में we have the pulmonary artery and on that side we have the aorta, and aorta is the blood from the aorta is go to the systemic circulation in the body, and from there that oxygenated blood then come to the, then this becomes blood become now deoxygenated, then it goes to the inferior vena cava to the right atrium. ठीक है, ये हो गया हमारा, this is the circulation. ठीक है, now to understand the different walls, we have this atrioventricular wall, we have this tricuspid wall and the bicuspid wall. Bicuspid wall is also called the mitral walls. ठीक है, tricuspid होता है right side में, bicuspid होता है left side में. Tricuspid has three leaflets, it has the two. ठीक है, ये हो गया हमारे atrioventricular wall, that is called the AV walls. Now we have the semilunar walls. Semilunar walls are this pulmonic walls and the aortic walls. ठीक है, now about the sounds, we have lub sounds, we have dub sounds. Lub sound is S1 sound, that is the closure of the AV walls. ठीक है, tricuspid or mitral walls का closure, that is the lub sound. Now we have the dub sound, that is the closure of the semilunar walls, that is pulmonic wall and this aortic wall. ठीक है, ये हो गया हमारे wall. Now if there is any pathology, then maybe the S3 and the S4 sound will be there. S3 is the ventricular gallop. Ventricular gallop means early ventricular filling if there is any pathology. S4 is the atrial gallop, when there is a problem, there is early atrial filling. ठीक है, ये हो गया S3 and S4. ठीक है, that is S3 is the ventricular gallop and this is S4 is the atrial gallop. So we have normally we have S1 and S2 sounds in normal healthy individuals. ठीक है, now coming to the arteries. Arteries, we have right coronary artery and the left coronary artery. Right side of the heart is supplied by the right coronary artery, left side is by the left coronary artery. On the left side we have the circumflex artery. First of all there is a left coronary artery, then we have the left circumflex artery, left anterior descending artery, LAD. LAD is mostly affected when there is the anterior wall MI. ठीक है, LAD is mostly when it is the worst one. Now if we have on the right side we have this right coronary artery, then we have the posterior descending artery. On this left side we have left anterior descending artery, here is the posterior descending artery and the diagonal branches. ठीक है, so ये हो गया हमारा arteries का. So arteries and veins are having three layers. There is tunica adventitia, tunica media and this tunica intima. ठीक है, ये layers है हमारी इन तीनों में. But the thickest layer in the arteries is this tunica media. ठीक है, and the same it is in the vein, that is tunica adventitia. So this is the layer that is in the arteries and the veins, and the thickest the largest vein is the inferior vena cava and the largest artery is the aorta. ठीक है, now arteries और vein में difference क्या है? vein में walls होती हैं, arteries में walls नहीं होती हैं. arteries has the high pressure, vein has the low pressure. Arteries carries the oxygenated blood except the pulmonary artery and the umbilical artery, but the vein carries the deoxygenated blood except pulmonary vein and the umbilical vein. ठीक है, so ये हो गए हमारे this about the arteries and the veins. Okay, now about there is two terms. There is pulse difference and the pulse pressure. The pulse pressure is when there is the difference between systolic blood pressure and the diastolic blood pressure. There is a difference when there is systolic blood pressure minus diastolic blood pressure. ठीक है, and normally there is a difference of 30 to 40 mm Hg. But what is the pulse difference? Pulse difference is whenever there is a difference from the apical pulse ka or the radial pulse ka. When there is a difference between them, normally the difference is 0, but if there is a difference, maybe any pathology. So these two terms are pulse difference and the pulse pressure. Pulse pressure is systolic blood pressure minus diastolic blood pressure. Normally is there's 30 to 40 mm का थोड़ा सा difference है, but the pulse difference is the difference between the apical pulse minus the radial pulse. ठीक है, normally it is 0. ठीक है. Okay, now about the placement of the chest leads. We have the frontal leads and we have the chest lead. Frontal leads are 1, 2, 3, AVR, AVL, AVF. These are the frontal leads, and their chest leads are V1 to V6. Now, if it is, you just see in this diagram, we have from V1 to V6. V1, it is on the fourth intercostal space on the right side, and the V2, it's same on the same fourth intercostal, but it is on the left side. So V1 and V2 on the fourth intercostal space. ठीक है, एक राइट में एक लेफ्ट में. ठीक है. Now V1 V2 हो गया. अब आते हैं हमारे V3 होता है in between the V2 and V4. V4, V5, V6 are on the fifth intercostal space. सेम ही में होते हैं. V5, V6, V4, V5, V6 सेम फिफ्थ इंटरकोस्टल स्पेस पे होते हैं. ठीक है. और जो V3 है दैट इज इन बिटवीन V2 एंड V4. नाउ अब बात करते हैं दिस V4, V5, V6 की. V4 होता है क्लेविकुलर, मिड क्लेविकुलर रीजन. देन आया V5 इट इज इन द एंटीरियर एक्सिलरी लाइन. ठीक है. और जो हमारा V6 है दैट इज इन द मिड एक्सिलरी लाइन. ठीक है. एक क्लेविकुलर में है, एक क्लेविकुलर लाइन पे है, एक दैट इज एंटीरियर एक्सिलरी, एंड दिस इज द मिड एक्सिलरी लाइन. ठीक है.